Hi everybody, today we're getting wild in the kitchen, in fact, in my kitchen. On the menu, we are making venison pizza casserole, otherwise known as hot dish here in the Midwest, right? Well, the twist with this one is we're gonna be using zucchini instead of noodles today, so we're gonna get started. First step is shredding zucchini. I like to use a food processor for this. Of course, you can hand chop the zucchini, but the food processor is much faster. And we want to keep shredding the zucchini until we have approximately 4 cups. This is a great way to sneak in vegetables for those picky eaters in your house as well. We're going to add about a teaspoon of salt to the zucchini because we want to get rid of some of the moisture in it. So we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. While our zucchini is resting, we're going to take the time to chop up a red and green pepper for the topping. Next, we need to chop some onion. Veggies are chopped. Our zucchini had time to rest for 10 minutes, and now we're going to squeeze the moisture out of the zucchini. So I take a little handful and give it a good squeeze and place it in another mixing bowl. All right, next step is we're gonna add a couple of eggs to our rinsed zucchini. Next, you want to add about 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And then I like to add a little bit of either Italian seasoning or pizza seasoning I have here. And last, just an extra pinch of salt. And you just stir this together, and this will actually become the dough of our pizza. Next, you just want to take a 9x13 baking dish and place our zucchini mixture into the baking dish. So our zucchini pizza casserole crust is going to go into the oven first for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. While the zucchini's in the oven, it's time to brown our venison. First step is to saute the onion. And one thing you want to do with the onion is just sweat the onion or cook it until it's translucent. You don't want to brown the onion because it'll overcook. So it looks like our venison is ready to go here. Our venison is nice and brown. We're going to add in our pizza sauce, approximately 15 ounces, which is about 3/4 cup. Look at this crust. Delicious. Venison is browned and our crust is done, so it's time to assemble our pizza casserole. Now it's time for the good part. We're going to add some cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese to the top. A little extra never hurt anybody, did it? A good pizza needs a lot of cheese. And last step, to sneak in a few more veggies, we're going to top it with some red and green pepper. Back in the oven it goes for another 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, it's time to peek at our casserole. Oh yes. So here you go, venison pizza casserole. It's perfect if you're following a gluten-free diet, if you're following a low-carb diet, and it's also wildly delicious if you're following no diet at all. Mm-mm-mm.